In front of me is Emporia SMART 5, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to Access Security section. Now click on Screen Lock and tap on Pin. Following that, you need to create it. When you're ready, tap on Next and repeat it in order to confirm it. Finally, hit Confirm and tap on the best option for you to answer the question how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I don't want any, so I will go with the last option and click on Done at the bottom right corner. So now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that PIN is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!